Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Some of you have asked for a follow-up, so here is a quick update on the DIY accent wall that we made earlier. Back then, we finished about here. As a second step, my wife asked for a triangle shelf to meditate in front of and use as yoga video background, so I thought I would make one for her. As a practice run, I used some leftover wood and made a small triangle. I cut all three pieces to a random but equal length, cut the ends at 30 degrees, and this is a little tricky, see my diagram in the link below, and used construction adhesive to glue them together. Shelves can be adjusted to any length and should be cut at the same 30 degrees. Moving on to the real deal, we purchased pine 1x6s from Home Depot. We measured twice, cut once, and followed the same process as with the small triangle. Since it's a tall and heavy object with a very high center of gravity, I wanted it to be stable. At the same time, I wanted to be able to clean under the shelf, so I decided to make the whole triangle floating. All I had to do is rest it on the skirting and fit a couple of small fixtures with tiny screws to stabilize it. I fitted some shelves inside the triangle, cut at the same 30 degrees, sanded the entire thing and stained it to make it look weathered and a little darker. To finish it off, I fitted some old Christmas lights and she purchased a salt lamp, some props and an oil diffuser. And that's it guys, a wonderful looking shelf for less than $50 and a couple hours of work. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe and like for more videos.